Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 8th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block, in Japanese, Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not all? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. So that's a lot. A lot. Alright. This one, 9400. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan. Which number can I pick? 2 in this row. 2 in a row below, so last row, the only place level 2 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row above, the only place level 9 should be there. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box level 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, on the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so on the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. How about the 1 in this row, the 1 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Then let me see. The 7 there. Okay. How about? Yeah. 8, 2, 5. Need a 5 here. This is a 2. Need a 2 there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. Two should be there. Then need 2 here. And I need a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column to be in the middle column. The only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. 5 and 5 here. Well, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. The 5 could be here, could be there. So we have 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. So only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. I cannot continue with 5 now. I need to wait. 7. Then how about 6 and 9. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 to 4. The 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then let me see. Yeah. 9. 9 there. Yeah. In this column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is number 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 marks. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9. Cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? Need a 4 there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 4. Alright. Then 6 and 3. Come on. How about 6, 3 and a 1. 3. 6 and a 1. The other 2 should be 7. 7 in this row. Last row. 7 in the row. So in that row, the only place left is 7 should be there. 6, 3, and 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square. For number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 6. 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 3, and 5. 2 numbers left now in the third row. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be in, the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 5. Alright. Now, 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be in. 7 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, same numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have 1 in this first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and a 6 goes there. 12 minutes exactly. Well. Not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.